Hampi is all set to shine brighter than ever as preparation begin for Hampi Utsav 2026, scheduled from February 13 to February 15. The Vijayanagara district administration has unveiled one of the most ambitious and visually stunning attractions in the history of the festival. A massive 50-kilometer long corridor of lights stretching from Hosapete city to the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Hampi. This grand illumination project is designed to recreate the royal splendor of the historic Vijayanagara Empire, turning the entire route into a glowing heritage pathway. According to Deputy Commissioner Kavita S. Manikere, the illuminated corridor will begin at the Vijayanagar district office in Hosapete, pass through Kamalapur and finally culminate at the iconic Virupaksha temple in Hampi, one of the most sacred and historic landmarks of the region. The lighting network covers the main roads, public spaces, bus terminals, railway access points and major junctions, transforming the entire Hosapete Kamalapur Hampi stretch into a spectacular nighttime visual experience. Special decorative garland-style lights have been installed along Bengaluru Road up to Sai Baba Circle in Hosapete. Continuous row of lights now line important roads like Central Bus Terminal, Railway Station Road, Bengaluru Road, Ballari Road. Several major traffic circles have also been illuminated, including Valmiki Circle, Ambedkar Circle, Kanaka Circle. The lighting project further extends to Kannada University campus, Kampili Road, Kamalapur Lake area, creating a breathtaking scene night views for residents and tourists. Officials say the entire road has been carefully designed to ensure that traveling at night during the festival becomes a memorable and magical experience. Ancient streets and historic monuments in Hampi town are also included in the illumination plan, blending heritage with modern celebration. Multiple terms have been working around the clock for several days to install, test and maintain the lighting infrastructure. Special arrangements have been made to ensure uninterrupted power supply and safety, creating a festive environment that is both beautiful and secure. The district administration believes this large-scale lighting initiative will significantly boost tourist footfall during the three-day festival and further strengthen Hampi's reputation as a world-renowned heritage destination. With history, culture, light and celebration coming together, Hampi Utsav 2026 promises to be not just a festival but a grand visual journey through the glory of the Vijayanagar Empire.